everyone, welcome back to my channel. Super excited today. I have a really cute squishy apple that I got from delightfulboutique.com. I will leave all the links in the description for you. Let's just go ahead and get started. The packaging is super cute. So the reason why I was excited about this one is because it's the peelable apple. And you have to peel this little thing, but inside, I know it's filled with something. So if you guys want one for yourself, like I said, you can get them at delightfulboutique.com. Check the link in the description. So I think this one might be messy, so I'm going to lay down some wax paper. A lot of you are asking, I get this wax paper from Daiso, which is like a Japanese dollar store. Comes with quite a bit for like $1.50. So I'm super excited about peeling this part. Let's just start peeling. Uh-oh, I ripped it. This is definitely satisfying though. So if you get one for yourself, just be very careful when you're peeling this part. You don't want to rip it all up. Uh-oh. And you're supposed to basically be able to like twist it up. So basically, this one was the rainbow apple, because look at the ombre here. It goes from light pink to blue, or to purple, and then back to the apple color. So that's definitely a little plug there where the apple core is. But then there's also, underneath this little apple skirt, the giant plug where they sealed the whole squishy. So what do you guys think? Oh, so you can just peel that whole thing off. Now you have a peeled apple. Definitely a lot of goopy stuff inside. Let's use our little apple skin to catch all this yuckiness. So let me see if I can maybe pull out this stem. There we go. See if I can squeeze any of it out. It's pretty difficult. Doesn't want to squeeze out like that, so. Oh, I got it. Wow, that's really cool. Who else thinks this reminds them of pimple popping? It's harder than it looks, though. This is literally the funnest one ever. It's like, what are those like slime in a can that you can like spray at people? Look, it's almost empty. Okay, I'm going to cut open this part because it sounds really cool with the scissors. A lot was in there. Holy cow. So there's still more in there. It is very sticky. There's a lot of like liquidy paper clay. Ew! Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, this is definitely paper clay mixed with like water. It feels cool though. Definitely messy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get one of these squishies for yourself, now you can because you don't have to cut it open. Now you know what's inside. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description and like and subscribe while you're at it. Make sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. It always makes my day when I hear your guys' cute little comments. Check out the playlist up here in the corner for all my other What's Inside These Squishy videos. They keep getting more and more interesting. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!